Hi family, my name is Malida. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to be showing you this wig from our friends at Beauty Forever. Thank you guys so much for sending me this. I appreciate it. All right, guys, so they sent me their Kinky Straight Half Wig. All right, so it's in here. Let me go ahead and take it from in the plastic. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. It comes with one comb here and another one at the bottom here, and it's constructed just like a regular wig. That's the inside. This is how I have my hair. That's how I've been wearing it for the past few days anyways. And they also sent me 2 of these hairbands, so meaning you can wear this wig as a hairband wig too, okay? And a weave cap, but I'm not gonna be able to use this cap, but you know, I can still use it because it's a half wig. All right, but this is not my skin tone. So their wig maintenance is on the box, so it's even more better because you can't lose the box, so you always have your maintenance here if you need to see how to take care of the hair. I am not gonna be straightening my hair. I'm not gonna be straightening my hair, so let's hope that it still works out either way, because I have no intentions of putting heat on my hair. All right, I haven't worn a half wig in years, and you guys remember the half wigs back in the days? Those used to be synthetic, but this one is human hair. And they sent me the wig in 18 inch, so it's 18 inches. And okay, so the hair is soft. I cannot remember the density, but it's really full. When I do, I will put it up for you guys. All right, so it also have adjustable stripes in here, so we're gonna adjust it and put it on. Whenever I'm adjusting my wigs, I always like to put it to the very last place because that's how it fits my head. And since this is a half wig, let's just hope it's even snug, because I don't know. Look at this space that's about to be left. All right, I'll do over. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, so the wig is on, and we're on to something here, okay? The hair, like I said earlier, it feels very nice. It's soft. It's really soft, and it is full. It looks like what my hair would look like if I blow dried it, but I'm not blow drying it. Listen, I love kinky hair for a reason. Like, that is my go-to hair when I'm getting straight hair, kinky. And oh my goodness, guys, I cannot emphasize on how full, really full this hair is. Something I wish it had, me personally, I would have liked it to have like comb on the side here, but since it does not, I want added security, so I'm gonna go in with Barbie pins on the ends, like the size, like so, and just put my Barbie pin right in here. There you go. I just want to feel secure. That's about it. Go ahead now and take down my flat twist. Okay, so this is my hair and this is the Kinky Straight hair. Now you can see the color difference. My hair is much darker than the Kinky Straight hair. But what I'm going to do is I will end up dyeing this hair to jet black. That way it matches the color of my hair, because I am definitely liking this hair, but I'm not going to be putting no heat in my hair. So that means I'm not straightening my hair. So I'm going to show you how we can all style this hair, or how I'm going to style it with my hair not being straightened on my 4C hair. Okay, because maybe you are someone out there that still want to be able to wear this hair but not straighten your hair, because I'm terrified of heat. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. I stretch my hair, I freaking threading, or just leave it alone. All right, so let's go. So let me put this holding spray in. Hopefully it'll make a difference. And this is the Suave. Okay, so for me, this is look number 1. I will wear it like this, especially when I dye it to match my hair color. Okay, yeah, like I will wear it like this, definitely. Probably tie it down and give it time to for my natural hair to lay, and it blends in. It's not perfectly, but it's still not bad. Okay, so let's do style number 2 that I have in mind for this wig. Okay, so this is look number 2 that you can wear with this Kinky Straight wig, and I love this one. I went ahead and added some accessory from this box. I got this accessory from Amazon, so if you want to get it, I will leave the link down below for you. But yeah, I just jazzed it up a little bit and it looks more like me. It's out of the 2 flat twists. Let's figure out another way we can wear it. So you can probably just do it like so. I mean, you can literally just wear it like this and go by a day. As you can see, the hair still keeps its volume, even though it's a half up, half down. Still keeps its volume. So now we're gonna try the the hairband that it came with, just in case you want to wear it as a hairband wig. Yep, so this is what it looks like with the hairband. Nice. Guys, so I am done. Those are the few styles that you can wear with this half kinky wig, and I really love it. As you can tell, I love wearing it in this stage. That's why I had to redo it again. Okay, so I will leave the link to this hair down in the description bar. You should definitely check it out. If you order from Beauty Forever's Amazon store, you could get an extra 5% off. And again, this wig is an 18-inch. It falls very nicely. Maybe I have to like trim the ends a little bit, but nothing drastic. The hair looks very beautiful. It looks so realistic, you guys. This is not even an over exaggeration. I love kinky hair for this reason. When kinky, it's easier to blend in with your own hair, and if you straighten your hair, it will blend even more. Like, honestly, I didn't even straighten my hair, and look at what it looks like. And like I said before, I am gonna dye this wig jet black just so it can match my real hair even more. And I know I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. I will keep playing in it to find many ways to style it. And this wig is versatile because it is a half wig. You can wear it as the hairband wig if you want to. You just have to put all your hair away and still wear it as a hairband wig. And there's a lot of nice hairbands on Amazon. I definitely plan on getting some, but even like this is still a protected style because my ends are away. So, and what makes it really realistic is the fact that my hair is out. I love it. I could have fooled myself. I feel like this is my own hair. And again, if I can emphasize, the hair is super soft. Very, very nice and soft. I love it. Again, thanks to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video, but everything in this video was and is my honest opinion. If I can, I will definitely come back to you guys with an update on how the hair is holding up, because I don't just want to give you guys something. I want to give you a real life and how I am doing with a kind of review. So yes, I will probably come to you guys in a month or 2 weeks to just let you know how it's holding up. And as you seen, all the styling I did, I didn't really get shedding. I got some, but for the most part, just few strands here and there, but nothing drastic. So I love that about it. Like, I need to learn how to keep my hands out of my hair. I can't help it. The hair, like, is snug. It really is snug. I can't even. All right, if you are not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.